Welcome everyone! In this lecture we are going to cover three main topics before we go forward to using our Google Bard. So we are going to cover at the beginning how to basically get the access to the Google Bard, then we'll move forward to using the website of the Google Bard, so I will show you exactly every option that is here and how everything works. And at the end, furthermore, I will show you how to change the language of the Google Bard. So without unnecessary speaking, let's go over to it. Basically, to get the access to the Google Bard, we need to go over to the website, which is the bard.google.com. Alright, so the link would be in the resources of this material. And then what we need to do only is to click sign in. So click this one button. So there is nothing complicated. We just need to log in to our Google account. After you did this, voila! We have the access to the Google Bard. And this is literally free tool, alright, for now. Because in the left top corner you can see that Bard is in the experiment period. Moreover, we have our space with the recent chats that we used. And in the middle we have our entire main window, where we'll do a lot of stuff, alright? So we have our main box to type the prompt. Then on the left side we have the image, so we'll be able to upload the image to the Google Bard and do amazing things. But it will be separated lecture for this, alright? And then also we have the suggestions, what we can do. So understand, for example, the speaking skills, character from a book, create product description, write the SQL code, or even the explore. So explore food hotspots or the comments. Even there, by clicking here, we can refresh the ideas, alright? So now you can see, we can create, explore, and understand a lot of stuff. Then in the right top corner, we can see our Bard activity, so what we did in the past. So it will redirect us to the other page, where we can delete our history and everything like that. So we can go over and delete the history from the last day, last hour, and all time, for example. Then we have the extensions that we'll cover in the advanced section of this course. So we'll be able to connect the Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, or even our Google Workspace, so the Gmail, Drive, or the Docs. So we'll be able to find the informations from the Google Doc, alright? Whether the Gmail, or even the spreadsheets, etc. Then we have the help, so we can check the updates, go for the help, or even check the rules, alright? Then the settings, so we can use the light theme. I will turn it off right now. And now this is a really interesting option, so respond once complete. So basically when we turn it on and ask Google Bard for something, it will show us the response after it's completed. But the default mode is the respond in real time, so it will constantly give us a data from the answer, alright, until the end. Then we have the public links, and Google Bard says you can share chats or an individual prompt response. Once you do, you can manage public links that you have created and see their details here. And that's pretty all, alright? So not many different options, just a few of them. And basically now we are going to cover how to change the language of the Google Bard. To do this, you need to go over to the right top corner, click on your icon, and now click Manage your Google account. So unfortunately, it will also change the language of the entire Google account. Nevertheless, go over to the personal info on the left top side, alright, and now scroll down and you will have the option to change the language. So you can choose the language as you would like, alright, so maybe from the Deutsch to the Espanol. So what we can do, a lot of different languages, I guess 180. So that's pretty all from this lecture. We knew how to get the access to the Google Bard, then we covered the entire options that we have on the website, and at the end we covered how to change the language of the Google Bard. So now it's the time to get into the action and know the first uses of the Google Bard.